猪肉乾, also known as pork jerky. How do you make this at home? Let's get started. Start by making the marinade. Sugar, oyster sauce, fish sauce, Shaoxing wine, dark soy sauce, paprika, garlic powder, a little white pepper, and honey. Mix it well. Then add the minced pork. Now, some people use pork collar butt, but I use minced pork because it's faster and it's easier. And the truth is, I'm a little bit lazy. Once it's mixed well, seal it and refrigerate overnight. Now that it's the next day, we can spread out the meat on a parchment paper. Make sure that it's spread out evenly. Now we're going to bake it in the oven at 320 degrees for 15 minutes. I know, it looks absolutely ugly right now. But I promise you, after we put on the honey and flip both sides, it's gonna look absolutely amazing. Set your oven to broil on high or about 440 degrees. We can prepare the honey sauce with 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now let's cut the pork jerky into smaller pieces. Transfer to a wire rack and brush some honey on top. Put it back in the oven for about 2 to 4 minutes, but keep a close eye on it, because it will burn very easily. Now let's flip and repeat the process. That's it! Now the color will get slightly darker as it rests and look absolutely amazing. It's soft on the inside, but crispy on the outside. This pork jerky is absolutely... My name is Don Wong, and thank you for watching Ding Ding Kitchen.
If you liked today's video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
請你睇到啲流口